Hello and welcome you all to this video. Myself Prashant Prajapati, and this video is about continuous temperature monitoring of concrete for concrete maturity and strength. Now first of all I will explain that what are the different types of temperature measuring sensors. Like this is, you can see this is a RTD, resistance temperature detector. This is not a digital temperature sensor, but this one is a digital temperature sensors, right? So in digital temperature, this machine Veda Therma X2 works on the digital temperature sensor. Now there are few advantage and few disadvantage in RTD. So this RTD will give you correct temperature value till 5 meter wire length only. But we have developed this Veda Therma X2 which works on this digital temperature sensor, and this machine gives you reading up to 10 meter. यानी कि आपका वायर का लेंथ जो ये टेम्परेचर सेंसर जो कनेक्टेड है उसके साथ में आपका जो वायर का लेंथ है दैट कैन बी मोर देन टिल 10 मीटर. वी आर गोइंग टू डेवलप वन मोर मॉडल दैट विल बी वेदा थर्मा X8 एंड X16. उसमें क्या होगा, in that model you can use RTD temperature sensor, not digital temperature sensor, because digital temperature sensor has a limitation up to 10 meter only. So when you will use RTD, you can see like there are different machines which has capacity to measure correct result up to 5 meter only. But we are going to develop one model, as I said, Veda Therma X8 and X16, where using the same temperature sensors, even if your wire lengths are different, still you can measure the correct results. Like there are two wires, one is 5 meter and other is 100 meter. So even there are difference in lengths, still you will get the same temperature, because that model, our Veda Therma X and X16, has been developed in such a way that even if your wire length is higher than 5 meter, 10 meter, like up to 100 meter, if your wire length is up to 100 meter, still Veda Therma model X8 will give you very correct result. The demonstration of that model Veda Therma X8 and X16 we can see in the further part, but that model X8 and X16 is in R&D. So we will see this Veda Therma X2 model demonstration, where first we will see how the connection is done. Veda Therma model X2 works on both. It works on power bank also. Here we have USB. So we have inserted USB in the power bank with output voltage should be 5 volt. And if you do not have power bank, you can directly, or your power bank is not charged, you can directly use this main supply. But that time we have to make sure that if you are using power supply, you have to put this button on the upper side, and if you want to switch off the machine, then you can take this button in the center. And if you want to use this machine on the power bank, so you have to put this machine on the downside. So we have taken this machine on the downside. So it has started working on power bank, and we can see it is giving some temperatures reading. Now I will show you quickly the connection. Here we can see that one sensor with 10 meter wire, other sensor with 10 meter wire, then third sensor with 10 meter wire, and the fourth sensor with 10 meter wire we have connected already. So how to do the connection? We can see that firstly you have, for digital sensor you will have 3 different color of wire, but for RTD you will have a wire which has 2 white color wire. See, this is RTD. So for RTD you can see there are 2 white color and one is red. But for digital sensor you can see, in digital sensor we have 3 different colors of wire. One is red, black and green. So we have mentioned here RGB. So in R we have to connect red color wire, and in green we have to connect green color wire, and in black you have to connect black color wire. So to do the connection, you can use one screwdriver over here, and if you can open this screw and you can insert this red wire, then black, then green, then black. So you can tighten that screw using screwdriver. Now after doing the connection, now machine is ready to use. You can see that we have not connected this plug to the power supply, we have only connected this USB, and we have switched this button to the downest place, and then we can see that after doing all the connections, all the 4 wire has been connected, as I said. So now the machine is ready to use. You can see that it is showing reading 25, 25, 25, 25, because all the sensors have been kept in the same temperature. Now I'm taking this one sensor, and I've started rubbing on this sensor. So you can see that the reading of this particular channel will increase. Now I don't know that which sensor I have taken in my hand. So as I can see that in the display, second channel is increasing the reading. So we can see that second channel, we can understand that this is the second channel, or after looking at the connection, we can identify that this is which channel. So you can see that after rubbing this, the temperature is increasing. Now I'll rub this one. So after rubbing this one, you can see the temperature of channel 3 is increasing. So same way, whatever will be the temperature, the difference or the response we can see here in the display. Now the data will be logged in each 15 minutes inside the machine, and when you want to download that data, we have an Android applications where from that you can switch on your Wi-Fi in your mobile phone, and from that Wi-Fi you can connect with this machine, and from there you can download the data, for which manual is already provided. Now I will show that how to connect this main supply to the socket to use this machine without power bank. Basically every power bank has its capacity, its own rating. So the power bank which we provide, that generally work for more than 5 days continuous working, or even if the power bank get discharged, so you can disconnect it and you can connect the another power bank. Now I have removed the USB from power bank, and I have connected this supply, this main cord, to the supply. Now I will put this button on the upper side. After putting that button on the upper side, you can see that machine has started working. Now it has started giving the reading. Now we will see that how to connect this machine with mobile phone. First of all, you will switch you will turn on your Wi-Fi in this mobile phone, and you can see this is Veda Therma. So the same name you can see, Veda Therma 2241, since the this machine has name Veda Therma 2241. So we have connected this with Veda Therma 2241. Now after connecting this, you can go to the application. The application is Veda Therma. Now you can see that whatever reading you can see here in the display, the same reading you can here monitor in the mobile phone also. Now if you want to download the data, you can press this button download, and after pressing this button download, a message will come that data has been downloaded. And after this downloading the data, we can go into the file manager. We have already downloaded some data, so that I want to show you. So here you can see that how the data has been downloaded for channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. Now timing is also shown here, hours, minutes, and date is also shown here, 8th month 2024. So that's how you can see the report.